Just try imagining for a moment. How would you feel if within the next 7 days, your life changed completely with a guarantee? You'd feel amazing, right? You'd feel more confident, more powerful, isn't it? And that is exactly what you're guaranteed to feel after watching this video. Because in the next few minutes, we're going to reveal 5 extremely powerful things that, if you follow them for just 7 days, can help even the weakest, most distracted person completely transform themselves and their entire life. 100% guaranteed. Once you follow these 5 things for 7 days straight, come back and rewatch this video. You'll end up writing "thank you" yourself. So for the next 7 to 8 minutes, don't let your focus drift at all. Challenge yourself to give this video your full, undivided attention, because these next 7 to 8 minutes are going to shape the next 70 years of your life. And yes, we guarantee that in the next 7 days, you'll witness a massive shift in your life. We understand exactly how it feels when you want to achieve so much, but you can't see the right path, and even after trying, nothing seems to work. Losing to your own habits every single day, lacking full focus, confidence, and self-control, not being valued by others, not having respect in the eyes of people or in your own eyes, and not being strong enough to do what you decide or to make someone think twice before talking nonsense to you. But it's okay. What hasn't happened till now will happen now. You just need to follow these 5 steps for the next 7 days. Step 1. Phone off. Screen off. Mood on. If you manage to do just this one thing, the next 4 steps will naturally become easier. The very first thing in your hand when you wake up is your phone. The very last thing in your hand before you sleep. Again, your phone. You might not realize it, but this phone has turned into the biggest hurdle of your life. Don't believe it? Open your phone settings and check your average screen time. How many hours you're spending on your phone every single day. If it's more than 2 or 3 hours, then you're already in huge trouble. Spending half your day staring at a screen is the main reason you can't focus on anything for more than 15 minutes. This is why the video has barely started, and already your mind wants to skip it or open something else. Your sleep is getting worse. Headaches, neck pain, low energy, and laziness all the time. At the root of all this is the screen, your phone. The days when phones improved our lives are long gone. Now they're destroying the very quality of our life. Anyone who manages to leave their phone aside today will move ahead of 95% of people. So for the next 7 days, just 7 days, switch off your phone, turn off the screen, and watch how everything starts falling into place. Your focus will increase, your mental and physical health will start improving, your sleep will get better, and your mood will lift too. Step 2. Practice. NoFap. Is NoFap fake? Does it really help? Is masturbation healthy or unhealthy? So many questions, but don't keep thinking about them. If you keep thinking, you'll do nothing. The best way to know if NoFap works is by experiencing it yourself. That's why we're not trying to convince you. We want you to try it. The whole purpose of this is simple: to rebuild your self-control. Like I said, you've lost control over yourself. Maybe you'll save yourself from phone distractions, but the garbage that has filled up inside your mind, won't that have to be cleaned out too? That's where NoFap comes in. When unwanted thoughts appear, learn to control them. The more you practice this, the more victories you'll collect. For now, just control yourself for 7 days. Avoid any kind of porn or masturbation during this period, and exactly 7 days later, come back to this video and share your experience in the comments. Step 3. Master your time. Every time you think, my time is going going bad. Remember, your time isn't bad. You're simply handling your time badly. Time is equal for everyone. It's not good for some or bad for others. People are right or wrong, not time. You're unable to finish your work on time. Procrastination has become such a strong habit that no matter how many videos you watch, how many books you read, or how many tricks you apply, something still gets left undone, and you regret it deeply later. If a student can't manage time, he fails. If an employee can't manage time, he gets fired. If a husband can't give time to his family, he loses respect. If you don't give time to your health, diseases will catch you sooner. If you think calmly, your entire life is simply a collection of choices. Every day, every hour, every minute, you're choosing. Do you choose what's necessary and right, or what gives a tiny moment of pleasure? There's a huge difference. One builds your life, the other destroys it. So for the next 7 days, listen to your mind more than your heart. Fix a time for everything. When to study, when to work, when to wake up, when to sleep. Create a routine for your 24 hours. Take control of your time into your own hands. And most importantly, focus your best effort in the first 4 hours of the morning. It's the most productive time of the entire day. Whether you feel like it or not, finish your tasks when they're supposed to be done. Life is all about timing. Whoever controls their time controls their entire life. Step 4. Don't think, just do. Most people have one terrible habit. They think way too much, but hardly do anything. This single habit stops you from living a good life. Overthinking. Imagine someone hands you a glass full of water and asks you to hold it with your hand raised. For 1 minute, it feels fine. For an hour, it becomes so heavy your arm starts aching. For an entire day, it turns into the heaviest object you've ever held. The glass didn't change weight, but the longer you held it, the heavier it felt. Overthinking works exactly like that. If you think normally, it's fine. If you think excessively, it troubles you. If you think about one thing all day long, your mind becomes exhausted. Just like your arm, your energy disappears, your motivation crashes, you become anxious and depressed. Overthinking works against change. If you want to transform yourself, you must kill this habit. So for the next 7 days, apply one simple tool. Whenever you catch yourself overthinking, stop your thoughts instantly and count backward inside your head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then tell yourself, don't think, just do. This is what's known as Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. Then immediately continue whatever you were doing. The busier you are, the less you'll overthink. They say, an empty mind is the devil's workshop. So keep yourself busy. Don't give your mind unnecessary space. You've already thought enough. Thinking isn't changing anything now. It's time to act. Step 5. Become thoughtless. The final step is to practice mindfulness. And honestly, if you combine this with the 4 previous steps for just 7 days, you'll start feeling the difference on the 7th day itself. We understood how overthinking develops. Yes, keeping yourself busy reduces it, but mindfulness is the permanent cure. If you master mindfulness, you become mentally powerful to the point that nothing feels difficult anymore. And this isn't just empty talk. A Harvard MRI study found that people who completed an 8-week mindfulness program where they meditated daily showed physical changes in their brain. The region responsible for empathy and self-awareness grew, and the part responsible for stress and negativity shrank. That's how powerful mindfulness is. So make sure you practice it every single day.